Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super useful topic for Amazon sellers: how to create a promo code in Seller Central. First, log in to your Seller Central account and navigate to the Advertising tab. Then, click on Promotions. Next, hit Create a Promotion and choose the promotion type as Social Media Promo Code. This will redirect you to the promotion creation page. Now, enter the list of product ASINs you want to include in the promotion and specify the percentage discount you'd like to offer. Customize your promo code and specify the start and end dates for the promotion. This helps create a sense of urgency for customers. Enter your promotion title. For now, let's go with football equipment 20% off. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to our channel. Move forward to create your promotional code. As we're offering a 20% discount, the code 20 is already filled in. Ensure to follow Amazon's guidelines while generating the code. Click on Review and review all the details of your promotion to ensure everything looks good. Once you're satisfied with all the details, simply click on the Submit button. And there you have it. Creating a promo code in Seller Central is that easy. Now, let's see how to manage or edit an existing promo code. Go to the Promotions section under the Advertising tab. Click on the Manage Promotions option and select the promotion you want to edit. Here you'll find options to edit the promotion, duplicate it, delete it, and more. Click on Edit and explore the options available for editing the promo code, such as changing the discount amount, updating the validity period, and modifying other relevant details. Once you've made the necessary edits, take a moment to review the changes you've made to ensure everything looks correct, and save your changes to update the promo code with the new details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Amazon selling tips. See you in the next one.